Hello everyone, welcome back to Registerkaro. Today we'll talk about Form ADT-1, the essential filing for auditor appointment under the Companies Act 2013. Companies Act 2013 के सेक्शन 139(1) के अकॉर्डिंग फॉर्म ADT-1 एक मैंडेटरी फॉर्म है जो हर कंपनी को रजिस्ट्रार ऑफ कंपनीज के साथ फाइल करना होता है, वो जब भी ऑडिटर अपॉइंट या रीअपॉइंट करे। तो आज हम कवर करेंगे इसकी इंपॉर्टेंस, फाइलिंग प्रोसेस, रिक्वायर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट, टाइमलाइंस एंड पेनल्टीज। So let's start. इससे कंपनी के फाइनेंशियल ऑडिट प्रोसेस में ट्रांसपेरेंसी और अकाउंटेबिलिटी इंश्योर हो। Now who needs to file this? All the companies incorporated in India, including private limited companies, public limited companies, and one-person companies, are required to file Form ADT-1 when appointing or reappointing an auditor. It's important to note that the responsibility of filing lies solely with the company and not the auditor. Now it's important. Timely filing of Form ADT-1 is crucial for legal compliance, avoiding penalties, and transparency. Now comes the documents required. Before filing Form ADT-1, ensure you have the following documents: a copy of board resolution or AGM resolution, auditor's consent, eligibility certificate, and intimation letter. Now comes the step-by-step filing process. Step 1. Access MCA portal, which is mca.gov.in. Step 2. Download Form ADT-1. Step 3. Fill in details. Step 4. Attach documents. Upload the necessary documents in the prescribed format. Step 5. Sign the form using the digital signature certificate of the authorized director. Step 6. Submit and pay the fees. Step 7. Upon successful submission, an acknowledgement with a unique service request number will be generated. Ready to file your Form ADT-1 only and on time? Let Registerkaro take over the entire task for you. Click the link in the description or visit our website registerkaro.in and get a free consultation with our experts today. And don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.